Looking for the coolest gadgets for men that are actually worth buying? You're in the right place. In this video, we've handpicked 20 must-have gadgets for men that combine innovation, style, and real-world usefulness. From cutting-edge tech and smart accessories to everyday tools that upgrade your lifestyle, these gadgets are perfect for work, travel, fitness, and entertainment. Whether you're shopping for yourself or searching for the perfect gift, this list covers the best gadgets every man will want in 2026. Stay tuned and discover gear that delivers performance, value, and serious wow factor. Bodypark ATOM. The Bodypark ATOM redefines smart fitness tech by pairing advanced AI motion tracking with real-time coaching. Its 160 degrees wide-angle camera and deep body engine analyze 34-plus body key points to count reps, correct form, and track performance without wearables. ATOM delivers adaptive training plans, instant voice feedback, and post-session insights once reserved for elite athletes. Lightweight and portable with a 1.43-inch AMOLED display, it's a premium companion for home or gym training. Early backer pricing starts around $119, $139 on Kickstarter. G1T4-M1N1 Droid. The G1T4-M1N1 Droid from Piaggio Fast Forward is a unique blend of practical robotics and Star Wars nostalgia. This special edition cargo-carrying robot autonomously follows you using cameras, sensors, and intuitive pedestrian etiquette, while carrying up to 20 pounds of gear in its bin. Enhanced with custom droid-inspired sounds, LED light patterns, and Bluetooth connectivity via the Megita app, it offers both utility and personality. Designed with licensing from Disney and Lucasfilm, it brings sci-fi flair to everyday tasks. Priced at around $2,875, this limited edition is ideal for tech lovers and fans alike. TobenONE. The TobenONE modular magnetic hub reinvents desktop connectivity with a customizable ultra-slim base and swappable magnetic modules for USB-A, USB-C, wireless charging, volume control, and macro keys. It's ideal for professionals who want a tailored workspace and reduced cable clutter, with up to 12 total ports and flexible module swaps as your needs evolve. Early Kickstarter pledges start around $76 to $89, making it an accessible upgrade for tech enthusiasts seeking long-term adaptability and minimalist design. Vanten Speakers. The Vanten Flame Bluetooth speaker blends immersive audio with ambient design at an attractive $39 price point. Powered by upgraded Bluetooth 5.0, it delivers faster pairing, stable connections up to 33 feet, and dual device support. The 360 degrees stereo sound is rich and surprisingly full, especially when paired in TWS mode. Its dancing LED flame effect doubles as a night lamp, while the IPX5 water resistance makes it ideal for patios, parties, and outdoor gatherings. SEESII Suction Cups. The SEESII 8-inch suction cup lifter is a professional-grade tool that delivers serious performance at a $35 price point. With an impressive 440 pounds holding capacity, it makes lifting glass, tiles, stone, and metal safer and far less strenuous. The durable rubber and ABS construction ensure long-lasting suction, while the red line safety indicator adds confidence during heavy lifts. Easy to operate and highly versatile, it's ideal for construction, renovations, and demanding home projects. Tikiuki Plasma Lighter. The Tikiuki Plasma Lighter delivers style and performance at an affordable $25 price. Its windproof dual-arc plasma ignition works reliably even in rain or strong wind, making it ideal for outdoor use. The engraved metal body, blue cat's eye stone, and integrated LED lighting give it a premium, collectible feel. A built-in clock with color-changing LEDs adds both function and flair. USB rechargeable with smart power protection, it's a refined, modern alternative to traditional lighters. Acer 3-in-1 Charging Station. The Acer 3-in-1 magnetic charging station is a clean, reliable solution for Apple users, priced at $50. It wirelessly charges iPhone, Apple Watch, and AirPods simultaneously, delivering fast 15W MagSafe-aligned power for phones, plus dedicated outputs for watches and earbuds. The foldable, travel-friendly design fits easily into a bag, while built-in safety protections ensure worry-free charging. With a sleek, non-slip surface and wide compatibility, it's a practical upgrade for desks, nightstands, and travel setups. INTERTOOL Lightweight Axe. The INTERTOOL Lightweight Axe delivers impressive performance at an accessible $30 price point. Weighing just 1 pound, it's easy to carry without sacrificing cutting power. The carbon steel blade features a non-stick, corrosion-resistant coating for cleaner, deeper cuts, while the shock-absorbing composite handle reduces fatigue during extended use. A non-slip ergonomic grip ensures control and safety. Ideal for camping, hiking, and yard work, this compact axe is a dependable tool for outdoor and everyday tasks. HARDELL Rotary Tool. The HARDELL Rotary Tool is a versatile and powerful gadget at just $40. Its 12 volts cordless motor delivers speeds from 5,000 to 30,000 revolutions per minute, handling engraving, sanding, grinding, and polishing with ease. Lightweight at 1.1 pounds, it offers minimal vibration and noise for comfortable extended use. The kit includes 94 accessories, neatly organized in a compact case, making it ideal for multiple materials and projects. Perfect for DIY enthusiasts, it combines portability, power, and precision in one convenient tool. Hagibis Magnetic Concentrator. The Hagibis 7-in-1 magnetic USB-C hub is a versatile gadget at $43, designed for full-function Type-C devices. It combines 100-watt PD fast charging, 4K 60Hz HDMI output, dual card readers, 10 GB per second USB-C and USB-A ports, plus a 3.5mm AUX jack in a single compact hub. Its magnetic design ensures stable attachment to laptops, phones, or accessories. Perfect for professionals and content creators, it allows direct ProRes video storage, high-speed data transfer, and seamless screen expansion, making multitasking and travel effortless. Mercury K1 Pro Keyboard. The Gravastar Mercury K1 Pro Keyboard is a standout 75% mechanical board with striking cyberpunk aesthetics and solid performance, typically priced around $200 on the official site. Its anodized aluminum frame houses hot-swappable Gravastar X-Scale Speedy Mint linear switches, dual RGB lighting with 16.8 million colors, and a rechargeable 8,000 mAh battery. Tri-mode connectivity, wired, Bluetooth, 2.4 GHz adds versatility, while the compact layout and premium PBT keycaps balance form and function. Thunderbolt knee pads. The Thunderbolt Platinum Pro knee pads are a top-tier choice for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike, priced at $30. The 2025 upgraded double gel design provides exceptional comfort and superior shock absorption, while heavy-duty neoprene, ballistic nylon, and engineered PVC ensure long-lasting durability. The non-slip Thunder Shield protects knees, clothing, and surfaces from debris, nails, and screws. Ergonomically designed with reinforced stitching and a soft gel core, these knee pads deliver reliable support for construction, gardening, flooring, and countless other demanding tasks. WUBEN X4 Flashlight. The WUBEN X4 Flashlight is a versatile and compact lighting solution priced at $50. Delivering up to 1500 lumens and a 205-meter beam, its dual light sources include a warm side light and RGB mode for multiple uses. The unique toggle and rotary switches allow stepless dimming and easy mode selection, while the tactical tail switch and magnetic tail add hands-free convenience. Lightweight at just 137 grams with extended clip portability, it offers up to 285 hours of runtime with a clear battery indicator, ideal for EDC and outdoor adventures. HOZO NeoRulerGO. The HOZO NeoRulerGO is a smart, pocket-sized measuring tool priced at $60, perfect for DIY enthusiasts, engineers, and tech lovers. Compact at just 1.6 ounces, it fits easily in your pocket while offering versatile functions, including linear, circular, curved, and irregular surface measurements with plus or minus 1 mm accuracy. Its LCD supports left and right-hand modes and multiple orientations. With 93 built-in scales, customizable units, and infinite scale options, NeoRulerGO combines precision, convenience, and portability, making it a must-have gadget for professionals and hobbyists alike. FLEXTAIL Tiny Repellent. The FLEXTAIL Tiny Repellent is a compact, multifunctional gadget priced at $44, perfect for outdoor enthusiasts. Its dual-sided heating technology quickly warms mosquito repellent pads up to 329 degrees Fahrenheit, providing effective protection in camping or outdoor modes. Weighing just 5.2 ounces, it's ultra-portable, with magnetic and hook attachments for hands-free use. It doubles as a camping light with adjustable brightness and offers up to 60 hours of runtime. IPX5 water resistance, rugged durability, and a 4,800 mAh battery make it reliable for any adventure. Razer Kishi Ultra. The Razer Kishi Ultra is a premium mobile gaming controller priced at $150, designed to deliver console-level performance on phones and tablets up to 8 inches. With pro-grade controls including Hall effect triggers, a mecha tactile 8-way D-pad, and durable analog sticks, it offers precise, responsive gameplay. Razer Sensor HD haptics and Chroma RGB lighting enhance immersion, while seamless connectivity, pass-through charging, and virtual controller mode make gaming convenient on the go. Perfect for mobile gamers seeking esports-grade performance. SMARTRO SC91 Projection Alarm Clock. The SMARTRO SC91 Projection Alarm Clock, priced at $35, combines functionality and convenience for any bedroom. Its red projection displays time and temperature clearly on walls or ceilings with adjustable angles and brightness. The built-in indoor and outdoor thermometer and humidity monitor keep you informed, while the wireless weather station predicts trends and alerts for mold risks. Dual alarms with snooze, 12 and 24-hour format, and support for up to 3 remote sensors make it versatile. Sleek, practical, and easy to use, it's perfect for home monitoring. CIGMAN 3D Laser Level. The CIGMAN 3D Laser Level, priced at $161, is a professional-grade tool for precise leveling and alignment. Featuring 1 by 360 degrees horizontal and 2 by 360 degrees vertical lines, it covers entire rooms, while the height-adjustable tripod extends to 47 inches and supports 22 pounds. The included remote allows hands-free operation, and multiple mounting options ensure versatility. With auto, manual, and pulse modes, plus a 165-foot range with a laser detector, this laser level is ideal for construction, remodeling, and DIY projects, all powered by a rechargeable 4000 mAh battery. Toolcard Pro Multi-Tool. The Toolcard Pro Multi-Tool is a compact powerhouse priced at $25, packing 40 essential tools into a credit card-sized design. Made from heat-treated 420 stainless steel with a satin finish, it includes wrenches, screwdrivers, a box opener, cord cutter, and more, all with smooth, pocket-friendly edges. TSA compliant and just 1.3 ounces. It also functions as a removable money clip for cards and cash. Sleek, durable, and versatile, it's a perfect everyday carry tool for handymen, campers, and gadget enthusiasts. RAK Magnetic Wristband. The RAK Magnetic Wristband, priced at $20, is a practical gadget for DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike. Made from durable 1680 ballistic nylon, it features 10 powerful magnets to securely hold screws, nails, bolts, and drill bits within easy reach. Adjustable and breathable, it fits comfortably on most wrists, making work more efficient. Ideal for home improvement, carpentry, and auto repair, it's also a thoughtful gift for dads, handymen, or anyone who appreciates clever, functional tools.